Ishapa. Nibuo dune. Na emema no dia ye king. Tina munhune no enyam no. Go for Ishapa. Ishapa. Will you kind brother na me man nyame ade hye internase. Eno nti na mabaawa do yi. Eno nti na mabaawa we atu agu so yi. A beautiful scripture. Let's, go through it as we, read it. I'm going to, in the verse number 2 only, I'm going to put it in different versions. In this version, the Bible said, let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth, for thy love is better than wine. And this same verse, I wanted to go into 5 different versions. Your lips cover me with kisses. Your love is better than wine. In this version, it says, kiss me full on the mouth. For your love is better than wine. In this version also, the Bible makes it clear that kiss me and kiss me again. For your love is sweeter than wine. In the last one, I am going to let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth. She cries, then realizing that Solomon has arrived. It's taking us into verse 3. And heard her speech, she turned to him and asked, for your love is better than. Let me go further and read. Because of the savor of thy ointments, put it in King James, let's work. Thy name is as ointment poured forth. Therefore, do what the virgins love thee. I want you to know that. Because, maybe put it in a different version, we can have an easier understanding toward right after that we will take our seats. No, I don't want the message version. Even though there is something in there that he said, go back, let's maybe just mention that word and then we can go. In the message, he says, your aromatic oils. Everybody say oils. I want to talk to you about the oil. Without oil, your car cannot function. Hamatan is starting, from last week, is trying to come up. And when the Hamatan comes through vehemently, without lubrication, your skin will be so dry and it will be breaking up. Your lips will be so dry and it will be without oil lubrication. And all manner of oil. Wherever there is oil, what kind of oil? There is wealth. No matter the oil. Crude oil, anointing oil, whatever the oil, wherever there is oil, there is wealth. And I want to tell you that once you have the oil, your relationship will thrive. Your marriage will explode. Hey, Miss Wubibi to me, I am very gifted because of the savor of thy ointments. Put it in King James, let's work. Thy name is as ointment poured forth. Therefore, do what the virgins love thee. I want you to know that. Because, maybe put it in a different version, we can have an easier understanding toward right after that we will take our seats. No, I don't want the message version. Even though there is something in there that he said, go back, let's maybe just mention that word and then we can go. In the message, he says, your aromatic oils. Everybody say oils. I want to talk to you about the oil. Without oil, your car cannot function. Hamatan is starting, from last week, is trying to come up. And when the Hamatan comes through vehemently, without lubrication, your skin will be so dry and it will be breaking up. Your lips will be so dry and it will be without oil lubrication. And all manner of America. Praise the name of the Lord. Before we take our seats, Willie, can come in here.
Nyum Solomon dear. Manonfa na nonfi anon mano.
Manimfa na nonfi ano emfi mano.
Na what do you say bobisa?
Wase wo do eya bobisa. Ko e.
Wosra de sham yi shapa.
Wosra de sham eyi ehwapa. Wanka se eyi hwa. Tie nie. Mumu bebre do no eyi hwa ba na enye pa. So you start a relationship, 3 months it collapsed, 1 year it collapsed, in a year somebody can be in a relationship once, twice, thrice, 4 times. Because you're just Ihana. Hallelujah. Willie, I've got 2 special bags with me tonight. You are going to do your job whilst Willie I do mine. So lovely. Was this one? Dune. Dune. I know Dune in London. Beautiful designer. I like her perfumes. Dune. Was this one? I can't tell. This doesn't show. All right. Don't worry. So tonight, it's going to be good. It's going to be good. It's really going to be good. Can you from?
Engusham a washie ni wudin.
Engushamwa wudini eye engushamwa yashie. Adia we bi and Mary Magdalene and Mary of Magdala eriko Yesu na ase no okuta alabaster toa. Wo bogo Jesus na ase. And one of the others adia ya Obaya ye was sorry. Fakwa ye din sempa and a sempa trene beku biara. A dear ya obeya ye boy sudia, ye bebo obey in Sudin the Abatao. And then they say, Yati are sorry de box you need ya to see. Yeah, and you made some abody. Yeah. And Mushamwa, what do you go Jesus and I said, you guys carry your heading was an idea and say ye. A dear way, Nanka was here here for years to say, yeah, for and Yadia won't be free montem. Be a woman in monetary. Once obey you were see media, mammy see it. Your oil, once it pours, me say, hey, we yasa we are baba, one we yet a shapa. Minam catch it out. A shapa. Nipuan Pune. Now a man not the king. Tina Moon Yamno. Go for a shapa. A shapa. Will you can't better than a man Yamiadish international.
And until a mabawa dowi.
And nunti na maba we are 2 goose. Solomon no rapa. And young mama son a year no ma handsome and penafa hasa. Yamu mama kura. Goodness so the millions of what you know now over 60% year before. Yeah, black women. Munimuntra but mo of pa. Oh yeah, black women are beautiful. Very beautiful. You can't clap for yourselves. Very beautiful. Miss whatever be international ones now black women I didn't know my name. Will you kind of international?
Chimidi wachi.
Chime Edime wachi.
Mayenka yen hunko.
Oh yeah, yenka yen hunko.
Ohine de me aba mempiem.
Ohine achimi de maba ni piem.
Yebedi ahusie.
Yeba tie ye wankase mi bedi awurusie. Yebe kaya do abom ne de awurusie.
Na yenani agye wo ho.
Yen we together yeni beche wo piem ho.
Yebe kamfo wo do asene bobisa.
Oh yeah, yebe kamfo do achen bobisa.
Tene ne so na wo do wo.
Tie o. Tene ne so na de a.
Odo wo.
Aha. So wo be the tene ne do. Ya wo bi anhye no. Or the tene ne do. Afa tena se a obrasie mu. Will you Sansha see you?
Now for no do. Nyumo jom a Solomon dear. Manonfa nanonfia non femano. Na wo do yesle bobisa.
Kentre wo ho wele.
Wo so ade hwam yi hwapa.
Wo sra de pa. Eyi die a.
Eyi hwapa.
Sra de pa. Yi hwapa. Asa pepepe na de ne tie. Why ye na wanya ntete papa. Na wo sei firi wo mofra sia. Wo dachi na sei. I'm telling you. Enipa bebre say ntem. Ena ye bek di nkɔmɔ pa. Enipa bebre say ntem. Most of you, your virginity was broken before 11 years. Yeah. That munya mo ho hypocrites. Jojo ho na ye ni nkɔmɔ. Can we talk? It's a love talk. Ye be di nkɔmɔ pa. You know, I was so shocked. Blown away. In something about me, that in the prayer walk, one of the men of God was led to do something, and Reverend Anaya Osafo standing next to me, and the man of God said, "Any person abortion we were shocked that over 80% of over 100,000 people had committed abortion before." And then the man of God asked another scary question. Mumusen amaya no more than 3 times, 4 times, 5, and about 40% lifted their hands. Iti jaya achom no. Na ye di nkɔmɔ. Mumbe bron ma mo say ntem. Na se wenhyia Kristo a wo pro. I'm going to talk to you about some very critical things that we seriously need to talk about. Once you get it right, you know, bag me a see. If you go to see these 2 bags in Knightsbridge in London or in Oxford Street in London, in any beautiful shop, you are going to look at it and say, "Man, that's a lovely bag. I'm going to buy it." This one, Dune, you see that it's a very pure Italian leather. You know, you look at the bag and say, "Man, I like this bag. I want to." Me and Fan said, "Bag, yes, you see, we ma, we your bar, and I will see your bar. Ubeko shop no na kania iguso. The glitter of the light makes it shine. But oftentimes, what we should be attracted to is not the pulchritude of the bag, but the content of the bag. Yeah. Oh, you can clap. We're talking. Yeah, when remember where she had no beer warfare. Now, and no, yeah, mammy, you say, before we are all black women, but we have shades of blacks. Remember when we are black people, but we have shades of blacks in this building right now. Now, the amazing thing, ladies and gentlemen, is that I need you to understand God is a God of variety. God is amazing. We call airport partner who sa die no airport enipa wodo bebre no mo na mo nyame won enipa ni bi nkete wo mani nkete bi you know e bi so ten say dey tintin you know and all that e bi so dan tamo no mni ade e bi wo fa e bi so wo time. As a pastor, sometimes I stand here and stand in other churches and I'm blessing a marriage and you know, some of the people are so beautiful. Others, I don't know. Sometimes which is an aberrant into will be a maba was son of four. You good well here. Praise the name of the Lord. Because we are often gravitated towards beauty, what the eyes can see. But never forget that beauty is vain Oh, and it fades. Oh, it fades. My mother, my biological mother, is a beautiful woman. I have asked one of the photographers to take one of my mother's Mabawa Bremo photograph and go and enhance it in a studio and bring it back to me, so I keep it in my office. Now, me hip picture, no, me Mabawa Bremo picture. Beautiful at the time my father was marrying her. Now, me now. My God. Have mercy. Between us, Mary, Yakurano, I will hope. Yeah. Because I adore the picture, I adore the photograph, I adore it. You know, beauty, it fades. So don't go for that. And yeah, you can be married to a very beautiful woman who is just a liability. I'm telling you. Or no more fair. No more with a ben we bet me a two and knee. But why you how? I'm telling you. One woman can make you commit suicide. Only one. It's here na me hear one more person worry 2, 3 no ya no me mobile. Only one can make you commit suicide. The same one woman also can make you rule the whole world. Only one woman. It depends on near one's torso. I was reading Benjamin Franklin, one of the presidents of the United States and also a philosopher. And then he said, by all means, get married. If you get a good wife, you will be happy. If you get a bad one, you will be a philosopher. Because philosophy is about thinking. I dream. I said, when is all Kakurabeka? Wababone, ebetimi amu ashe challenge kambu epi abonte. Menam kacha. So don't be too much interested in the package. Packaging can be deceptive. Content is what I'm looking for. Oh, you can clap your hands. I think that we've taken packaging to another level, to the point that now we're looking at a twackers here, you know, can I have one more? And then everybody called London. Yeah, sorry, we were London. Girl be free back and came to me. Prophet. I'm so you kurasi neighbor. Jamu kurasi zamu amudi gugromwa. Obienti minkanjem. Brezi akura umobi. Na dia be pia. Adien kurasi ni yen. Asa abejina prophet. Say, man. I will need this for, something. Hallelujah. Praise the name of the Lord. This girl was in a silk dress and without brazier, a little transparent, nipples all reviewed. Now when you embrace on your brother until we encourage you would to be everywhere. I said, yeah, I'm telling you. So we're talking about oils, and I want to be very, very. I buy this and the content, and I take it home. And I pay for the bride price. I pay for everything. I have a big wedding and everything. I take it home. And I realized that as Willie was reading, Willie, read a thing. Let's hear it.
Manonfa na nomfi anomfi mano. Na wodo yesene bobisa.
Read.
Woso adehwam yi hwapa.
We osira adehwa. Eyi hwapa.
Nguhwam a wahwie ne wudin. Eno nti na mmaba adɔ wo no.
Eno nti na mmaba wadɔ. Read down.
Twemidi wachi. Ma yenka ye ho nkɔ. Ɔhene de me aba ne pie mu. Yebedi ahurisie na ye nani agye ye ho. Yɛbɛkamfo wo dɔ asɛn bobisa. Tene na so na wɔdɔ wo.
Tene ne so na wɔdɔ wo. Hey, me say, ne wuye na wo de homa be ma wo de homa oba na tene ne nka ho a. Tene ne nka ho a. Ebe wie akire no, obehunu so ne wa wo ba akomiye no. Relationship is over. No eja ho na wo be hwem of days out to university. Enya tene ne so. Iti medi ade ko fie, and then I realized that enya tene ne so, but at the same time no, I looked at the outward appearance, but inside are toilet rolls. I get up in the morning and this girl is giving me trash. No more fat, but will be in a no phone in the free in a numuba. To Ubisan said, I don't know if you now say, one said, you may own a phone go on the free in a numuba. And then they said, where you are the art polish, you and Nadia, a battery baby, or saying she baby. Why a car? That person is giving wahala because it's full of toilet rolls. I take this one home, and sometimes the ones that doesn't look too stylish and too extravagant, you may end up having oils. So did they come? Let's try something. I see a woman and I see a beautiful content. And I realize that she is adaptable. She can adapt. She can easily learn. Because she is submissive. She can, but I can bring her to that level. But I can bring her to that level. I can take a raw content and I can choose an Arabian oud and I can just say, this is special oil. Oh, you know. And then I spread the oud on you and spread the oud on you. And then I bring you before the world and tell the world that you deserve to be kissed. Because you are ready to learn. You are ready to serve. You are ready to adapt. You are ready to submit. We are hunting too much. We are too much. And so So the point is, after I have used the oils, I am going to close your eyes, sweet. I am going to spray you up. I will spray you up. And then I said, no, that was a patchouli. This is a black orchid. I want to make you run. I'm building up. This is a 1 million. It's an intense, concentrated thing. This is a kuros. It's a concentrated thing. Now, I put my love on you. This is an Arabian oil, I put it on the back of your head. Now, the moment you step out, this is a tobacco oud, Tom Ford. I put it on you. This, is oud espam. This possibly is ombre leather. I put this on you. Now, what it means that I have put Oduro Ose on you. And then I release you to go to town. The moment you step out, they will feel the fragrance of what is in my heart. Not Debbie. It doesn't last though. We should be looking for virtues. Put it on the screen for me. Virtues. Number 1, character. Number 2, standards. Number 3, we should be looking for things like that when choosing a woman for life. Because this is not going to be a sex partner or a bed mate. This is going to be a vision helper. Obia. Your beauty and your fragrance, your value is on her. She smells you. So being in the year sorry, I can tell what is in your heart. You are selfish. You are self-centered. You are stingy. This is who you are. This is who you are. Many people have no time and attention for their wives. So the fragrance on you must be able to depict the man who is looking for your love. Therefore, I must be able to put it back, on the thing. Number 1 is whatever. Who is there? Let's work, sir. Number 1, virtue. See, that's what the Bible was talking in Proverbs chapter 31. A virtuous. Who can find virtue? And it doesn't only go for women, it goes also for men. It goes also for men. We need to be able to understand, to develop standards to the place where I am not after your face. The reason why so many people are busily bleaching themselves is because they feel that Ghana mema pema koko. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. So when you bleaching a who say bleaching agent in our big journey. I'm telling you, Sister Bia and Ninya Aquentia, which you many years ago. Now, no prior, it was bleaching on the coach big government hospital. They were trying to sew her up. One of the at the end of funny man, not TFM, one of the not TFM. And now, plan we plan and so man, Pamwa, it's going to be a big infection. A bit to me, a kuno. Now, one more you meant to me and Pam. They referred her to Kolebu to go and do skin graft. Bleaching tea. Bema no kuranu a wo person yes sir. You see, the real men are not looking for vanity. Real men. Real men in your woman. No, they are not those people. The business because a market is saying, and any other number for we count. That is the man that or pay with interest, in the interest. And then what I want to talk to you about, is somebody who has already messed up and all that. Now he's trying or she's trying to love again. What do you do with your baggage? No, I'm saying, seriously, what do you do with your baggage? Will you let them put the scripture back? Did it? Get a seat. Clap for her. Virtue. Take the S out. Virtue. Number one. We should be looking for that. We should be looking for that. I mean, what I'm saying is not go and look for, do you have virtue? No. You are going to inculcate virtue into yourself because you will attract your kind. Oh yeah, you will attract your kind. More now you are my kind. That is why you are here. I attract my kind. More now you are my kind. That's why you are here. You will never attract anybody that is not your kind. Never. Number two, character. And this is where I want us to look at when I talk about character, I'm talking about truthfulness, sincerity, honesty, transparency. I'm talking about respect. Character. Unyaza. Here and there. Hey, as of the mama unu ni pesu. Enipa. Mima minum de muma juma amuye to see edi ya. Enipa. Oh ye kama pa but say wonyanitia didimwa. Another person will come out. Naninyeska. Naninye to me. Politicians be a opposition or did that form or don't batch or Momoamika grandpa Momomra power. You will never find them again. Friend, busy. You were blocked. Friend and not cut, friend and not cut. And that will be mistaken. The number for friend no mistakenly pick it. Oh, we are very busy. Power. Your name is excellence in number ye. Tepa hobe be a hanya tepa a higher do sold of a Zurich, a free Zurich in the embassy. It's yam from why yam from part because these days I am not quite democrat. This ya not quite woman now opposition. Sa pepe. So we are going to learn to develop character. Everybody say character. Oh yeah. I want to ask a very good question. Why do you think that most of our best gospel musicians are divorced? Gospel musicians. No, we're not talking about those people. South one couldn't divorce. I'm telling you. Gospel. I'm asking you, why do you think they have the numerous measure of divorces? I don't want to keep it on them. Why do you think that most of our preachers have divorced and remarried? Character. Character. I don't want to. And this is all that I'm trying to say. We're taking the time. Or teason them, or was and all that. Ninyame ya botre no de ewure anymore. Osi nya botre me the 1 year ebechire or train. Or train. This should be your train. Black, I like it. Now you who are the show mo. Now we are single. I will call now ba. The bia mi wunu wo hene yiri gifty auntie. Ibomi mu asimano. Oba penny. Omo friend na wo. Awo ye oba penny awo tifi awo na tete efie mrewe na. Eduma saman ne akwemu state no omo ngoro ne ho. Oto ne bo and quoted her price in virtue, in character. And then Nana Kwanzaa the fourth paid that price, made her his queen. Ochina Oma invited me to Edumasa Himfie. Woman said, "Member me preach why him feel." I'm saying, "Na me das." Me das, na. The real Christmas service I do my son him feel. Yeah, man, this is the idea about kuna habemu. At the idea about kwa men kwa na mabo home pie ba kopa and habemu. Na Yehowa the adeyo. Obi wonu mo ye wunu asori dem labor abagada ma nesu kwa dofu. Kwa dofu. Obe kono eniema basket ya eniema aye fingu mu no. Oba enye mema nko na hye draws wa wo munziu. Muntimi ngame oh. And maybe to me shed draws na watch. Or wuro ya no de atobole. I'm telling you. Or wuro ya straight to baller. I'm telling you. Brazil ba ko to me shed 1 month. What do you mean? Obi nche Brazil 1 month ya. Eya den obi timi boni timani di 3 months. Wono a waboti ne emu bo wono ankasa. Otimi ya anu afa refresh na no dey spray. Enya perfume o. Room refreshener spray. Etu Yehowa was adeyo. Me say, a man yam shop. Nana Yakunedo is here, mammy be a man is here. Because you're supposed here. Nana Yakunedo told me something, this year that blew me away. This year, beginning of this year, January, Nomo invited me to Peace FM. It was the first working day. They asked me to pray with all their listeners so that this year was going to be a great year for them. Your program, no, say, Papa, your I was here to make Kofi because I ran another business. I'm saying businessman, no. Because I ran a laundry business. And we were talking about nails. Acrylic nails. And then she said, I can't wear these nails. I said, why? She said, because I wash. I'm saying, whoa, we are celebrating. I said, meaning, but I wash. Me de men say synchro for niema. Na mato. Na me deliver. Me ye laundry service will me fee. Mumu say nanka wo radio so, TV so, Talk Life at Nka TV or ye celebrated television personality. Mumu say nanka ye mame bi amakwa afo na kozi asapon. Ya, ujine TV so obi anim wo kotodo kuna ye YouTube mame ni nie. Mumu say na wo betimi dia siniema. Enka ne wo de ye. Ese member wo mo ada nyima besimo emfa mo niema fu ni free ni bazume. Munim say me celebrate ya na. Sa pepe. And I will be say wo pe 3 years ago and you watch. Crash we are fun papa. Who will be answer the person? Only paneme. Who worries our boy no Casabri? What will you know? I'm telling you. Yeah, I mean, got some joke. Mumbe bro more. Obi waha na obi amayo ebrade eche emkomsheno enso yehunu so ewu aben wa ya na ye everyday yehunu ne ewo kire ni eni obi an obeba abeso upew obi wo ho a wo de ne pe no ode eja obi se ya me gina he obi sofu bi e de doctor ni bi abija se mempe yire ma doctor ni no doctor ni na fra brochira ba oso ono de ompese wo se wo ba bia ape onfa nje Kofi Oduro nsa na Kofi Oduro nhwim na wo mpe yire ma no yire bi ya Kofi Oduro be nya ma no no ope etibi wo emi hwim After 20 years of marriage, I am not looking for beauty. I look for virtue. I look for character. You know, will be monitor. I'm telling you, baby, and I know Koko Santo Quafono. A woman do Koja say, Woman pay you what say? What say? I say, baby, na woko. Baby, na woko. Was sorry, I know, but baby, I'm a catcher. Was sorry, a pijare. This is you. And sorry, free, Tessa no ha, and nothing go because. Get an end, Nanoni Yano, your man, Maria, Nanoni Yano, Akucho name. Would Nika Ya would die at Watiti, would meet the Nantisa without brazier. Baby, I won't go to watch you. A one will be the Abejas Empire Mano. Akojinaho, no one free Guardian Braga. Na woya ne tuati I won't shadow mumbe beyond one more down mon shadows to tam ni carnation asema make us wonni masema make nyame na ada na sese janto fie hoda na nkade a wodi be pie no enya asem papa tie. The amazing thing, character. Menya me ya no so me pede your four. Obi a we do your four. Bone homo de ne ni ha adwuma. Hey, e ma bi ani ha o. Me ma de west. What be share source ba ko 3 months. O yitu a area mun kramen na e she e po ase. The be a cultural charismatic for said, yeah, sorry, king, asagidi, no near dear, Munchimu motu. The be a mokasasam. You know, before all, by the grace of God, before we got access to all perfumes and all that, they used to Tulale. Even Tulale has different grades. We are Gao for your Mububu Matobia. Tulale ni bi oha enua oha na enua egba hyefem enua wo ho na egba hyefem eti yen nsu nche yeso kwa aba na ode ba ya na wasu kodware because ade no agawe ni ba ne ton ma wo no enua nkasa no egba hye ewia kanwa ebe change chemical reaction and composition. Come ememntie Adirio. We are the four. We are the four. And that is why I am going to encourage men. You need a suitable helpmate. Suitable. Compatibility. Synchronized woman. A syncopated wife. A configured wife. Moye suited. I look at Edward Bediako, UTV. This is Nora, Mrs. Bediako, Sweetie Stan, let's see you. We nikunu dia waka kwasieda. No wucha. We could a phone, no wucha nikunu. Tim. No we no gusu no dia besin and must did mama middle. Because the wow, a better Yakuko to Gosia. Omwa, Omuyirum Johnny Joe, Omugrum Johnny Joe man said, Yoma Druko Libuno. Omania say, Uyamuja, Udru as Uyamuja. I drink in that damn the son of Udru as Uyamuja. Sister back home, the neighbor me fees, Abranam many years ago. The neighbor me fee, Tabranam de Tabura. You know, my boy said, somebody press the bell. You know, house attendant. Some call and say, why now? Say, you know, I said, a taxi driver will say, Unipano that came, so you was sorry about. I'm saying, nada, we say, I work. I'm saying, hey. No, so when this car was then be called. I'm saying, Fanidi can't call it Bumeba. It has condition in your clinic. I'm saying, Fanny call it. It do call it Buas. Be true as you hear Muja. Nikuna Janebe said 3 months. Do as you hear Muja. I'm so okay. I call blood bank. I'm saying, and then the year I walk 1 year more be donate to you. And then you pay, and then they give you the blood. Now the other. Tia koji moja ni the buy. The buy and they say, "You prepared. Udi wunti. You prepared for labor and to be hene and fanenko." So I bring them in nima decoro. Minti bida. To me, people who have mua mi kwa kohe. He drew one sister engineer. Prepared. Hey. Adey. When I'm so far, me come at you and sempa. Obi a me pe heavy akuro e dia no abie sui the my sister so theater koye an operation the bill ne ba CS me tia bill ni wi na ni kunu bie am so ye koshini we kushini bia na wonse na nye Yesu anka meje wo ho na nsu Kristo ntifa we enche abosome na be hunu so sanyam. You know, God is still working on us. Wow, you messed up. When you say it doesn't mean all hope is lost. If you are able to put yourself together well, Apostle Akwasi Apia, na sister bi, e wona sorry no share nkom. Sister no wo ma 5. Onikuno. Oyifa ho sa 5. Sometimes they are not to me who say nipen dimension yembe mu nyansa kono sanainum esuno bia ne papa sape ma me sister bi me hu bi da engambra twa de wo ba wo je ne fie we de wo de ne ba ne kompra twa sape ma Konan bele na wunyi ne me be kenchire wunni but me ka chire akati makape na ne ba ne yiso wo se jama me ko twa me ba ni mra am se mranti amaba nso sam bra twa fo mu sa na mo twa jama me ko hwe me ba ne mra man kan said ye o ka no please na de hie bi wo ha iti man kan say nanka enya sanka me kan say wo ka chense tu am go hwe me man kan say na asema me kan me boa asema make mo amutiti amaya mo won say de munum asem amake obi won matimi di bibi china asem pa cho we di anu ode ntuma me num nsuo tuma me nyonso ansa tuma me nyonso what booty why ye hwan con roll or rasta or whatever etimi booty so aboso me ne na wotwe miensa one kasa edwinimu bon wa e bon one kasa wutimi de wonsa wona mo na de ade wo ade bi ade hihye mu wutimi de hyem titibo a simiti de next week me yo next week me ya sama kwa e ma kurasuni ba tia why anyway dear why and a married man mope we wa no masorenya osa. Yay. We could because a 2 mama ko baby somewhere. Mackenzie. Therefore, you can make Mrs. Sister in my 5. Obi for America be worry sister plus nema 5 in na. This am said the intra. Sister ne ye no ho modern bofo a. Be man ne diskaka crash for ne hwe. And sister ne de ko fa abroad ye. Tom abroad ye ko an wo de more ka ho. And a be man say dwa so adwuma no opese oye hu so bread do no say krache. Bread mu ana na me wo na me hia. It was in J shop man. Now me realize one tonton sa niema no. Oftentimes omu nyini banchengo enam jeni into so no mani ade. We are near any table. So sister be a beautiful shop. What be kono aye, stands. What she shen no beauty said the abroche auto vegetables and no mani ade beautiful. It did not feel Lebanese, Syrians, Indians, no many idea in the beton in Chadi restaurant for no more no many idea. Within just about 8 months, the sister had turned that little money into something else. And God be free, you may ban what kick and say so. Brami shoe no I'm a catch on no one told you. Where in the mobile? What you must say, oh my ruby. I'm telling you. Ubi one the is carbon 80. I'm telling you. Virtue then character. When you may build it upon character, you might have messed up. What committee abortions, what lose so many, but now you are preparing yourself what you need to do. Maybe you are even in a broken marriage. When you meet me as what the say, Gangalia no now the previous marriage in you don't need to translate it here. TNA. And I need everybody to understand this. Because God can help you. Yet do your fool. Bible so about pa a year pa. A dear no. No, I'm sorry, you need fear, Juma. And then may ya be me call, me join a despite media group in me who said, hey, any problem home today. Because these young girls use casters and all that. I am at giddy. First time I'm calling them in the crow. Or be Jimmy kicking me. I didn't know I was a trauma, no be a pro or tear no Dimrica. 6 no, yet the news on the time the kind. There will be so that they move chinimu. Quatia bay for say, Kurano, I was seeing me breaking, breaking some. Now, one man, Musso. Character. What you and him come about who needs to buy? Nice lip gloss, nice lipstick. Who needs to buy? Here, anybody who loses a relationship, if you leave a relationship or break up in marriage or relationship, don't rush to another one. Tobo. And let's have a diagnosis of what really happened. One year you will repeat the same thing. But the character is what is going to keep you there. Hey, what character? You can live with the worst mother-in-law if you have character. Or you can live with the worst mother-in-law. I'm telling you. Kofi Oduro semame papa when yami am fana man kami hunu niemeye bisam se die ntra wo wa no the shopping aba Kofi Oduro yiri na di we ba here. Oh my 98 years. Kofi Oduro yiri na di we be cheme. Kofi Oduro yiri na di we be cheme. Mama Christine na di we be cheme. When he can remember all these things. If you have character, you can live with the worst people. I'm telling you. Wumbe di weni from the shas here. Afi be do baby no mbe unu say, wo ni papa. And papa will be buafa bonyo no so. At a point. And so what you need to do, yeah, you are developing a good character. It will not measure good character. No, dear CSU. But we want to say, you know, girls be a watch church, momo, warina, we are, and how nyapotre, nyawo training, yaminya, juma, menyame, oh God. Menyamin CSU. Ma Yehua in CSU. Ne Radia Shadafa, Kwanya Yakuleska. Is CSU. Because I said, baby, we need a narrator. Your call shop will be more job with almost suits. Beautiful suits. You do one and Bodam say, aha, me. If me be a suit, no me fire, and me be a label, no, a checky label, no. Suit tobacco, it was $1,000. Did they say any actually when I'm say 1,000 or say me and Kofi? I'm saying Kofi. Me na my bed talkers yen tears are seeing ye suit $1,000. Me and Kofi. Eti afe mi jina ma ko hwe ba ko me fair shoe bi na shoe no ma bought 3,000 Ghana shoe 3,000 Ghana cedis. Afe me ko fa sa person ke to e de cards and phones ni ade ehye me ma ba ko so 2,500 for me twen wo ka nim me twen wo ka nim onyame be hwe kwanya ye kura bibi so kwanya ye hwebi asofo be bre nyame che wo monwosra o man hweso yi. I'm telling you, when wonu so hwe afi wonu se wo koso anu mani bebre wo so wan hwe wo de aso yi wo de wani bi re ba wani so bri wa na azade na ha wonyame che wo bibi wan hweso yi obi a waware hweso yi entwe manipa ni wonu abesusu fo. Man, sorry, me and my brother. One sorry. You've messed up. You've lost it. TNA. This Love Talk Christmas edition, I need you to understand that God can make you a better person. A far better person. A far better person. Wahantai no nyame betumi aye ho bibi okoko bone no nyame betumi aye ho bibi wadwaman no nyame betumi aye ho bibi wani ha no akwa adworo onyame betumi aye ho bibi your wastefulness onyame betumi aye ho bibi. I'm telling you, your habits be onyame your addictions, God can work on it. Obi won no addiction or your bad, but you know akono bitenesua onu mom kura na pesa woneneda. You need deliverance. I'm telling you. I was your bomb pay deliver. Or you know a bill. And when in your bar, so it will not be fat. Said your question his castle. I'm telling you, nipa young girls be what them ha. One my toss, I see a woman dying, baby, a woman dear, be a flow, woman dying so, Pijacoso, and the beans who see what. Do you realize that in your house right now, there are so many things you've bought but you don't need? Yeah, especially women, shoes, bags. You don't need them. And I realize that within 3 months, it's your dear beer. We are no and how if you are going to get a good relationship, get a job. Man, make sure you have an income. So when you're dependent on somebody, they will honor you, they will respect you. There are so many women that men have taken advantage of because they are jobless. Or another, check him out. Plain like that. Shiami Ohana, mental Range Rover mouth. It declares a number far quamboneso. I'm one in Merengrofu. Sister Peninia also. Peninia also. I'm telling you. Now, you know, and maybe Shamema Sonu Muyeska free a human nod more de bro. Ancient Niso. Ancient Niso. Peninia also. Honorable Betty Minua Dano assign check your mouth by the insurance Niso. Honorable Yan is true, Quabinia SethEkow cancer. Teach you free. Penenia was when you never share a wood to me, Kuradi, when him so her. Your mouth be become bit to me, baby. I'm telling you, your money maniko to get a toss cement. Uwe £1, your money manim kruma, Nibenku 1 go no, a bit to me a toss cement bears 2 bags. It would you win your 2 bags, no when you are near half trip or cranoa. It to me trouble your blocks bears a cacra, you bet me a share do baby. Ginny Bibi and son will be in Frewo and Crass was so penal. Nanka or bears Chemeho 10 cranoa. Bosumi be a bibi bowensum. Say any pan or no cassa or Junumi you know. Because when them say you are not a desperate woman. Oh, you want to clap those hands. It's you who are fat. Now what you will more. Every share ahunidie. Cleanliness, hygiene. Ahunidie. You who are share. That's how we be sees you. We want to say, we want to be near, we want to be near way. We want to say, we but not only obey and we jaw. You want Kazana Pana so many bonsam. Or pursue Sia Hunidi would the so good as same one. It will be diverse 4 days. It will be ya near buntu. You know, fungi, and near buntu, nay, you go me, or be born her. A dear baby in a boy. I'm telling you. And all that, you'll be shocked what you will see. But who shiana bontea? One casabe who said dressing will we say. I'm telling you. When you mean I want to no dear Wura Umo. Now you who are pen pie before. Prayer. Many people don't pray. That is why the devil is fighting so many relationships. You better wake up in prayer. Be a more fair plan to spiritual marriage at all. One thing there, I'm my baby, whatever, and I do your baby home by. What done will be no better. Will be about life from whom you be no. I'm telling you, what by young pie before, and yes, will be born by our mouth. No. Sorry, I'm a check. Never phone neto fa phone no umia fa phone neto. It's time to pray. It's time to pray. Oh boy and some sister, it's time to pray. It's time to pray. As I bring my message to a close, let me put it this way. Onyame will make sure that no matter mistake you don't return or repeat your mistakes. What the Homa Bema? Why are you me a Bema? Me Casamacho, Tini. Obikas will pel. Dross will never go down unless we come to the altar. Do you take this man to be your lawful wedded husband or wife? Yes, I do. Before about you do. You need to understand that. And that is why things are not working. Obi on my warrior you. Mistake be on one year over and over and over again. Now we are able to bump by your form. Everything about your family, my mind shed as I did. Me, you be so best. I'm big now. I be bump by your form. Way be you. As I bring my message to a close, I want you to understand that we'll be a one in a bed and a covenant is established. Yeah, a covenant is instituted. It once we are finishing up tonight and then go to the question and answer time, I want to tell everybody in this place, because and yet beheme biani and inida. Obi on man inida anya yebiu. Boys even prayer occultists. I'm up a ritual blood. Oh yeah, no a paper now what they are showing bag him no the call. We bet try when ye. What you and no yam shania maybe you make us so much now. And so God is working on you. Then he takes it to standards. Put it back on the screen. He takes it to standards. Standards. Obi kunu wuni na chida. Obi yiri wuni na chida. He takes it to standards. And so God will make sure that you are building standards. And then the Lord brings you to prudence, understanding, wisdom, knowledge, insight. You are a wise woman. He puts you in there. The Lord looks at you and realizes that you are a Christian. We a Christian. We a Christian. Because we be a Christian guru. And kremofo kra nya maybe. My abortion ya mo ye kremofo nya by abortion sir. You are a Christian. Obiti another boy a friend. Where you day? Where you day? Today be 24. Where you day? You for come service me now. As I day church. When I close, I go come. Where is any party? And then I agree with you. You know, sometimes when I look at the mass following of Muslims that follow my ministry, I wonder why. You know, tonight there are Muslims here who are listening to the word. Because any man can timeless. It cuts across barriers. Ufana the yuma a Bible so like. Na near me yan say obi or friend who Christo ni or no fast something yajuma. Obi a cremoni, obi tea preaching no me preaching no fan what ya yajuma. Nanya mean shida ban so none what ya saw on them name yami no yam. I'm telling you. Oh, you can clap. Christoni now on kron they are share. I feel on kron share, you know, and then realizes that you need the grace of a train. Hey, you can't say train ahead. Many years ago, I was at Luna House in Croydon, a Honwamama citizenship. I went to take my resident permit. No, see the amount, but train 3 hours. After 3 hours, it will be issued. Now 3 hours. Kai. Mitras and my bread, no my sorry, my nante of investment da. In 10 years, kum a became book and my bread. Minyan come the laptop by my man baby. I have in my son pipe, boom lagadaba and dogelebo. Security says, excuse me, sir. Are you okay? And I'm saying, are you also okay? Almost have baby economy say kwabontin go nenam kakra and I'm saying that's a better idea. Ko nenam kakra we are no happen. Okay. That is why when you tell children sit down on tears here. Sit down saying. A dime will have one thing will horses sit down. On tears here because of trade. Mumbe brown man, ya me pan na ACS until was a train. Mema ukunu. Mema obemo bedo. Obi diwuni. Oh my God. Bema one tia would da. Onye would da. On tete would da. They love you, they treasure you. And you're better to be married at 40 to the right person than to be married at 18 to the wrong person.